right, so we are here in the dead of the night with the beautiful Shelby GT500 giveaway. We're gonna get it dynoed. I'm excited to see what this car is gonna make. You guys have been so great. Everyone's so excited because the entries are on fire. I mean, on fire for this car, and well deserved. Everyone loves the white. So we're gonna do our first dyno pull, see how this car does power wise. It's time, dyno time. Ready? Yeah, we ready. Let's do this.
So right now they just moved this little school bus with a house door on it. Interesting. We're gonna load the new white Mustang, the giveaway GT500 giveaway Mustang on a dyno. Are we excited?
Oh, dude, I'm excited to see how much he makes. Now remember guys, this is a base 93 tune from the factory on pump 93 octane. So we're gonna see what she runs and see what gear they put it in. Of course, we do have the 7-speed dual clutch. And right now, just strapping her down to the dyno, the giveaway GT500. And man, this white is fire. You know, I didn't think I'd like it without stripes or without a roof wrap, but this looks really clean. Really a handsome car. Told me the way we're gonna dyno this, we're gonna dyno it in 4th gear, and what we've also done is unplug the traction control ABS sensor because we don't want that to cut in and cut power out. So as you can see, we're gonna redline it in 4th gear with a DCT for the 2020 D500. So if you guys have this car, have questions, hopefully this helps. We're gonna see what this beast makes. Again, we are on 93 octane pump. No boosters in there, nothing special. This is completely, this car has 100 miles on it, so we're gonna see what she makes. It's game time soon. So, there's the Shelby Snake. Dyno remote. Strap downs. She is ready to make some steam, letting some cool air in for all this crazy cooling we have here. All right, we're started up. Let's see what she does. All right, that first one, it did an ignition cutout, so we're gonna try it again. First clean run, 663. Very nice run there. 663 wheel horsepower. Very good first run. Not bad. Not bad at all. 663 wheel. So that seemed like a good one. What'd you do, fifth or fourth gear? Fifth, the red line? Okay.
Like 180.
Got to 180? Okay, cool. Everything else looking good. Of course. Yeah, that's good. That's, I mean, you want to do one more? Let's do one more. Let's just do one more. Do one more.
It might go down, just so you know.
Yeah, I'm going to get the interior. I'm getting the interior.
Okay,
I'm going to get the speed out. We're going to do one more. Let's see how she does. Consistent power. We just did 2 max power pulls. Look at this, consistent. That is consistent power. Look, 663 and 662 wheel horsepower, guys. That is a very consistent. That is consistent power. Look, 663 and 662 wheel horsepower, guys. That is a very consistent car, and we've been driving it all day, and very impressive. 663 wheel horsepower for the giveaway GT500. Let's go. Wait till we get this thing on the street. We all know, guys, down numbers don't matter. It's about the track time. So stay tuned for those.
Feeling? Excited?
Good stock numbers.
Yo, that's stock numbers, bro.
Awesome.
Stock. No boost stains in there, nothing. We didn't do nothing.
Someone's gonna be lucky.
Oh no.
Absolutely.
They're gonna be. This car is a monster.
Absolutely.
Getting started. So, hey man, thanks to Patrol Works. Thanks to Mo. Check them out. Patrol Works, Instagram. We just getting started, baby. GT500giveaway.com. Let's go. What is up, fam? I wanted to have a quick housekeeping. Yes, the giveaway is happening. It is live. The website is being updated daily. We have new merch coming in. This is actually so exciting. I mean, we have officially licensed Ford and Shelby products on there. Really cool light products. We actually have earbuds, wireless, all for a chance to win the 2020 giveaway Shelby GT500, which we're calling Predator for obvious reasons. If you don't know, now you know that was the nickname of the motor, the 5.2 that's used in this particular model. Really excited, worked really hard behind the scenes. Everything is set up for you. If you have any questions, let me know. We have it all here. You'll get emails, you're entered. All the things are, all the rules are explained, how it works. It's all on the website. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, it's going crazy, guys. $10, and anything you spend above 10 is more entry to win. So good luck. God bless. Let's go.
The man, Carroll Shelby, engineer, race driver. The car, the Shelby Mustang GT.
To build my kind of car, I had to take an existing car and modify it. I could have chosen any set of wheels I wanted. I picked Mustang.